The solar year, shaped by Earth's axial tilt, gives us the familiar rhythm of seasons. But across timescales longer than a human life, another motion comes into play. Earth's axis does not point fixedly into space. It slowly wobbles. A grand, 26,000-year cycle called axial precession. Driven by the sun and the moon, this slow drift changes the identity of the pole star and shifts the stellar backdrop behind solstices and equinoxes. Today, the North Celestial Pole lies near Polaris. 12,000 years from now, it will point toward Vega. For farmers, precession meant nothing. For skyline cultures, it meant everything. Temples aimed at a star. Pyramids aligned to a constellation. Over centuries, those targets drifted. And ancient astronomers, Greek, Indian, and Islamic, noticed the change. They were tracking the sky on a civilizational timescale. Because the solstice equinox cycle repeats so consistently, cultures around the world expressed it through symbols. Spirals, quartered circles, cross and circle motifs. They appear in Europe, the American Southwest, Mesoamerica, and across the Mediterranean. Their meanings shift from place to place, but many express the same idea. Time that turns, yet always returns. Symbols became visual memory, portable cosmology, carrying the sky across generations. But symbols must be read carefully. A spiral might mean the sun, or water, or ancestry. Context matters. And sometimes, the connection is unmistakable. At Fajada Butte in Chaco Canyon, shafts of sunlight cut across a carved spiral, marking solstice and equinox with perfect precision. Here, symbol and solar geometry are fused. This is intention, recorded in stone. Modern archaeoastronomy has learned to be precise. Credible studies must define sightlines mathematically, account for the local horizon, test alignments against statistical chance, and distinguish symbolic spectacle from calendrical precision. Human minds find patterns easily. These safeguards help separate what was meant from what only looks meaningful. Numbers and symbols were never separate worlds. They were parts of a single idea. Numbers measured the sky. Symbols remembered it. A spiral struck by sunlight at the solstice. A circle quartered in the seasons. A monument aligned to a star. These were visual equations, geometry, light, and ritual bound into one. A way for ancient cultures to reach beyond any single lifetime and anchor the heavens into cultural memory. The universe expressed in numbers and carried forward through symbols. If you enjoyed this episode of the Universal Clock Project, please like, subscribe, and share this video. To explore more episodes and resources, visit www.universalclockproject.com. Thank you for watching.